Hello Patrick, my name is Angel Diaz here at Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to take some time to go over the vehicle that you are currently interested in, which is the 2023 Volkswagen Crossport, and we're going to dive right into it. All right, as you can see, Patrick, here is the vehicle you are currently looking at, which is the Crossport 2023. Great looking vehicle. As you can see, you got your daytime running light LED. You got LED standard headlights. You have that amazing grille with that new emblem right in the front, the Volkswagen emblem. If you move over here around the side, you will see that it has the 20-inch alloy wheels, black on it as well, with the all-season tires. Let's move a little further over here. As you can see, it shows you on the side that it is a Crossport. I like that. Keyless entry on all four doors as well. If we move a little further towards the back, as you can see, you also get LED tail lights. You got the Atlas right over here under the Volkswagen symbol. Let's put that up. This is a V6 4Motion. Look at all that space you got back here. You got a couple tools. You got all-weather mats. So these are your monster mats. You got your regular mats back here. You got a cargo mat as well. You got your cover for your tow hitch. You get a few accessories back here. That 60/40 split. You also get a privacy shade, which is awesome. Let's hit this button over here. As you can see, just hit the button. It is power lift gate. And now let me show you how big and awesome this looks over here. You look at all that space. You have the beige interior with black going all over. As you can see, you got the white stitching also on the side. You got armrest right over here as well. Let me sit down just so you can see. Look at all this space. Wow, that is awesome. That is awesome. I have what, maybe like a foot in front of me. You have a couple USB-C ports back here, a 115 volt switch right over here if you gotta plug something in and you need some power. That's very convenient. Also, you get two vents. You got lighting back here as well, so some people sit in the back and control their lighting. And yeah, it's just a great looking vehicle. All right, Patrick, and here we are in the cockpit of the Crossport, and I just want to go over a few things that you probably already know, and if you don't, let me just show you what it looks like. Over here, you got your door panel. Obviously, you got your power windows to adjust the mirror. They're also heated mirrors. On those mirrors, you also get blind spot monitoring on the mirrors, which is a great feature to have. If you look towards the bottom here, I don't know if you can see it, there is a button for the power lift gate. You just hold it and it will open it. If you hold it again, it will actually close it for you. You got your lock buttons right over here. Also on the passenger side, same thing. If you look over here behind the steering wheel, you have your lighting right over here. You can put it on auto if you like, and that'll set it up for you. You never have to touch it again. And let's go over here and see the nice steering wheel, decent size, telescopic. As you can see, you can adjust it up, down, in, however you like. Nice, great feature to have. You do get this digital infotainment system right over here, which is pretty awesome. You can go through it, switch stuff on the side. There you go. You got a compass, a few different features over here that you can go through. You got the buttons right on the steering wheel on the right hand side to control that. You hit the view button, the clusters, as you can see, they go away. It just shows you a different view of the vehicle. Let's bring that back up. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, you got your cruise control. You move over here towards the middle of the Atlas, you can see that nice 8-inch display, all touchscreen. As you can see, you have a few buttons on the side to help you navigate to where you want to get to. You got your menu, you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If we go further down over here, this is where you have your comfort zone. You got your heated seats, you got dual climate control as well. One of my favorite features, you do got wireless charger. Just place your cell phone right on there, it will charge it for you. You have two more USB-C ports up here, V12 right on the side. You got your push to start button right next to it, which is pretty convenient. And A couple more things you have over here, different drive modes, depending on what you want to select, and it'll actually display it right on the screen as well once you turn through that. One thing I do want to show you is this amazing backup camera. As you can see, it is a very clear picture. You got your trajectory that it shows as you turn your wheel. As you can see over here, they, like I said, they are heated. You got that tan interior with the black going around the side with the white stitching. You also get on the door panels, you can see the brown with the black, and if you see, you have a little, it's kind of like almost carbon fiber, not really, but nice texture to it. It feels amazing. All right, Patrick, and there you have it. There is your video for your 2023 Volkswagen Atlas Crossport. It is still available. Please give me a call if you have any interest. The number here is 508-678-5555. Thank you. Have a great day.